So now next command is hem. So if you press this hem command, see how it's working. First of all, it will ask you about edges for hem. If you select this edge, see how hem is created. You can also select multiple edges. By clicking on this arrow, you can change the direction for hem. These are the types and sizes. Here is the radius or length or dimensions. You can edit or select your own. Rest of the settings you can review them. Press OK to apply this command.